Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cancel an order on the Temu app. If an order was placed by mistake, or if changes are needed, we will walk you through the steps to cancel it quickly. On the mobile app dashboard, all we need to do is click on the Temu application. Once we click on it, we will be taken to the app. Next, we need to tap here to get started with canceling the item. After tapping, we just need to tap on your orders. Once we are in your orders, we close this and tap on the item we want to cancel. We tap on the item and there is an arrow here. We just need to tap it to move to the next section. Once we are there, we just need to tap on Cancel Items. Then, we confirm that we want to cancel the order. We will be asked for a reason. For example, we can select Order Created by Mistake and confirm the reason. After we confirm, we move on to the next step. Here, we just need to confirm the cancellation. We will then see the refund being processed, and the order will be canceled. That is how we cancel an order on the Temu app. With these simple steps, we can manage our orders and avoid unwanted purchases.